Inside Brad Pitt's $1 million investment portfolio. Hey everyone, it's Alec from Financial Success Secrets. Today, I want to take a closer look at the finances and investments of one of Hollywood's biggest stars, Brad Pitt. Brad Pitt has made a name for himself not only as an actor, but also as a savvy investor. He's known for his smart investment decisions, which have helped him amass a fortune over the years. One of Brad Pitt's biggest investments is in real estate. He's owned several properties over the years, including a mansion in Los Angeles that he purchased for $1.7 million and later sold for $13.5 million. He's also invested in property in other parts of the world, such as France and Italy. Another area where Brad Pitt has invested his money is in startups and tech companies. He's invested in companies like Airbnb, Spotify, and Uber, which have all gone on to become huge successes. In addition to these investments, Brad Pitt also has a diversified investment portfolio that includes stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. He's known to be a long-term investor, focusing on companies with strong fundamentals and potential for growth. But it's not just about investing for Brad Pitt. He's also known for his philanthropic efforts, donating millions to causes like Hurricane Katrina relief and cancer research. So, what can we learn from Brad Pitt's investment strategy? The first lesson is to diversify your investments. By spreading your money across different asset classes and industries, you can reduce your risk and maximize your returns. The second lesson is to invest in what you know. Brad Pitt has made smart investment decisions by focusing on industries and companies that he understands, like real estate and tech. And finally, don't forget to give back. Brad Pitt's philanthropic efforts are a reminder that we can use our wealth to make a positive impact in the world. So, there you have it, a closer look at Brad Pitt's finances and investments. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Financial Success Secrets for more great content. Thanks for watching.